So it is about minced beef, onions, but they're cooked separately. They are separately. A burger bun, and then anything you want with it. You can have tomato, watercress, some mayo, whatever. But the burger patty is the essential part. It's the thing that makes the difference.
Yeah.
And all it is good old-fashioned mince. Get stuff that's not lean. Lean mince has no flavour. The fat is where the flavour is. Yeah. And also melts. The fat melts, which gives it moisture. Supermarket mince, it's absolutely perfect. So you just stir it and make it into a mixture which looks more like a paste rather than looking like mince. Get a pan nice and hot. That's really important. Yep. And I mean hot. Let it sit on the heat and be dry, it's fine. Take a handful of your mince, and I mean a handful. That's about a burger size. I think if you take it and you make a size of a ball about the size of your hand and squish it together, put it on the board, then the other one exactly the same. And then what you do is you squish it down, and you keep on squishing it down till it's quite thin.
Oh, that's very big for the bun, look.
But it's going to shrink a little bit.
Okay.
Because, of course, it will shrink a little bit because the fat renders, which means you're going to have less volume. I've done a little thin one here for you because we know how you like yours really thin, and I make mine a little bit thicker. And now I can wash my hands.
Okay.
So you don't have to do much else. Spread the onions out on the
Yep.
board, and then take a little bit of oil and put the oil on the meat first, not in the pan.
Okay.
Because the oil will burn in the pan. And you only need to do one side because the fat will render, which means the rest of the burger will cook with the fat.
Okay. Should I put some seasoning on?
Yes, please.
Salt? On the onions and the burgers?
Yes, please, both. Salt and black pepper, please.
Yes.
Fab. Now you turn over the oiled side into the pan, and it's got to make a noise. If it doesn't make a noise, then your pan's not hot enough. And then your onions go next to it. You also notice I've got some bacon already cooked on the side.
Yeah.
For a reason. Because you like crispy bacon.
I do like crispy. Do you know what I love about this show is I just get all my favourite foods.
Well, because you are really particular about stuff, which I think is great. Bring your onions to one side, stir them around, and they do cook that quickly. But you remember now what we've got is all the juice from the actual burger patty and the onions all coming together in one pan. Turn the burger over, and that's great. Lovely colour and nice and crispy. Stir the onions a little bit, and again it should make a bit more noise. But what's happening now is we've got all the flavour from that burger patty with the onions all in one pan.
Okay.
I'm getting excited. We're going to have pickles?
Yeah?
Good, go on then, slice of pickles.
But do you want them long, or do you want them like you get them in the takeaway?
You have them whatever way you want.
Not long.
As the second side of the burger is cooking, now is the time to turn this into a bacon and cheeseburger. Could you pass me 2 slices of peeled processed cheese, please, Lisa? Take some bacon, which is crispy.
It does have a purpose in life.
And you put the bacon across the top of your burger. There, and here, and there. OK, you know what to do next. Go on, you do it and explain it.
Well, because it's got to melt, hasn't it?
A slice of cheese
Nice
across the top.
slice of cheese. And you can then, you know, sometimes I decide I don't want this cheese, I want blue cheese, which is really good as well.
Yes.
But this cheese there is something really so naughty about it. It's nice.
You put it on top, it melts ever so slightly. Then you put the onions, which are hot, on top of your cheese. Let it rest for a little bit, and it will be tastier and softer. But don't worry, we're not going to lose all the juice.
Look at that already.
There's the start of our burger. Take the rest of the onions out, that's OK. But leave the juice.
Right.
Put the pan back on the heat.
Yep.
I told you it's a one-pan burger hit. Take the burger buns.
Yep.
And take the bottom of the bun, particularly, and put it in the pan with the juices.
So you get all that juice and you get it nice and warm. You get that warm, soft bun.
And then you put the top on the other side so that it starts to toast. So you're going to make one and I'm going to make one?
Yes. Do you want lettuce for yours?
No, I want watercress. Turn your burger bun over, So it's now, look there, see that? All the flavour of the bun is now the flavour of the burger. It's now nice and warm.
Yum.
And then take the base of your burger and put it wherever you want to put your base.
Okay.
Right, there you go. Time for you to build your own burger. There's your burger patties, look at that.
Okay. I
So-
just put a little bit of this on mine first.
You put that on there. I want mayo on the bottom of mine, please. Spicy mayo, not normal mayo. Something to protect the bun that's really important so the juice doesn't go through. So mayo or ketchup's really important. Yours on top of there?
Yes.
Right. Do you want gherkins yet?
Gherkins.
Go on.
So I want them so that every bite has a bit of gherkin.
Okay, fine. Not particular about it then. I put a bit of watercress in the bottom of mine because I quite like it. It makes me feel like I'm being
Healthy.
good and healthy.
I've got a bit of green, look.
Okay, what green? What gherkin?
Yeah.
Can you put gherkins on top of mine, please?
Yeah.
Put that there like that. Gherkins on top. Now, on the plate, there's still a little bit of juice
Oh my gosh.
from the burger.
Don't waste that.
Never waste all the remnants of juice, gravy, whatever. Take your burger tops, drop them onto the plate, because they're hot. Put the lid on. And then, of course, if all your mates are coming over, get yourself a big stick and make it look smart. Stick that in there, like that. Away you go. Done. Time for my veggie burger. It's halloumi and mushroom, actually. So in here, I've got big flat mushrooms, these things. And all you do is you just put a little salt and pepper and oil in them, and the cup side up,
Yeah.
and put them in the grill, and they eventually wilt and drop down to become this lovely open cup. That's only been in there for about 5 minutes, and all the juice from the mushroom stays there, and you see it comes off. And then
Right.
halloumi, which is a hard Cypriot cheese,
Yeah.
and you put it into the griddle, but make sure the griddle's hot, no oil,
Doesn't need any oil, that cheese.
none at all, and it will tell you when it's ready because it will come away from the pan. So it's just a matter of making sure it's cooked and turn it over.
What did the cheese say when it looked in the mirror?
Is this your cheese joke?
Halloumi.
That's brilliant! Do you want my cheese joke?
Go on then.
A magician's favourite cheese?
Oh, I don't know.
Ta-da! Right, so take the halloumi and put it on top of your mushrooms.
Oh gosh, that's good.
So it just sort of crisscrosses it. And then let them sit.
Yeah.
And
So super simple, very quick.
really quick, couple of bits of bread, put it into your pan.
I was going to say as well, with halloumi, people cook it for quite a long time, then it becomes really rubbery. But you don't have to cook it for very long at all, and then it still stays quite soft.
No, I'm with you here. Cook it for just a couple of minutes, and the heat from the mushroom as well, and all that juice from the mushroom together blends with the cheese, and you've got this sort of lovely piece. What we need now is a plate or a nice board to serve it on, Lisa Faulkner.
Okay.
Press the bread down. Take up
That's
all the lovely juice. Warm the bread, don't toast it too much because the texture's in the halloumi and also in the mushroom. A little bit of lemon juice across the halloumi and the mushroom, tiny bit. Put some coleslaw on there, and we're going to make it slightly healthy. Some parsley and a bit of watercress, so it's nice and green, and it's looking good.
That's going to balance out the other burger.
Then your halloumi and your cheese across the top.
That looks great, John.
I've left a bit of juice on there. What should I do? I know I do.
Put it on the bottom and that's it. Soak it up.
Soak it up. Soak up the juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Almost as good as Mr. Wick's.
Oh,
Halloumi, mushroom, coleslaw, watercress, parsley, good for you burger.